Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my bow and how I've customized it. So I've added a lot of customization since my latest bow video, which was over a month ago, and my bow is completely different. I did something extremely crazy with it, and I shot it over 110 yards and landed a lot of shots on a 10-inch target, so it's definitely sighted in, it's definitely tuned up. And before I go any further, the arrows I'm using with this bow are the Victory Vendetta Pros. They're about, I want to say $80-90 a dozen, but they are amazing arrows, as you guys can see right there. It says Vendetta Pro. Obviously not sponsored by these or anything like that. Hope I was, but unfortunately I'm not. So what we have here is my Dragon X8, the sanlida Dragon X8, and since the last time you guys saw it, I've added a lot of different accessories. For one, we went ahead and added a Hoyt. I believe it's an Intrepid stabilizer, which is really nice. I really like it. And then I also added my own paracord braid, which I weaved myself. Well, I didn't weave it. I tied it myself, I guess. And then obviously we have our release tied in right here. Added some wishbones to kind of take out the vibration a little bit. Then went ahead and added the same color limb savers up here. We added a PSE drop sight. Went ahead, added that myself. Added a lot of knock points, which I use as anchor point. So this bottom one right here lines up at the corner of my mouth, and then the top one goes ahead and gets the tip of my nose. So I know I'm holding it at the exact same spot every single time. The peep sight is a bit rotated, but we could go ahead and rotate that before every shot. That's my kind of routine, I guess you could say. I go ahead and tighten my tips on my arrows and twist my peep sight before I take every shot, which is a nice routine, allows me to calm down and focus in a little bit. And then we have our AR-19 bow sight. It is a sliding sight this time. I needed a little bit more range out of this bow, so I went ahead and added a sight that could move up and down. But the crazy thing about this sight is I jerry-rigged it myself. And you guys might be thinking, if you jerry-rig a sight, it's going to be dangerous. It's not going to shoot accurately. But as I said in about a while ago, this bow shoots accurately up to 110 yards. I've landed shots on a 10 by 18 target from over 100 yards, so it's definitely accurate. So what did I jerry rig on this sight? So this is actually a trophy ridge $20 bow sight housing. So I went ahead, took this off of a trophy ridge. As you guys can see, 3 pins right there, and the level bubble is upside down. So the sight housing is flipped upside down. This light is supposed to be on this side, I believe. And I did that because I wanted 3 pins. I didn't want to spend $300 on a sight. This sight cost like $50. And then I went ahead and added a trophy ridge housing upside down and super glued a pin right there, if you could see that. And that's my 100-yard pin. And it's absolutely crazy. I kind of jerry-rigged it. I don't recommend anybody else do this, but I did do this, and this definitely worked for me. So yeah, you can customize your bow in so many different ways, and you can add accessories and do things to it that aren't from original manufacturers and still tune it to perfection. So let's go ahead, draw this baby back. Actually, let's take my release off and draw it back with that so I can show you guys where the anchor point is and where these knock points line up on my face. But man, in the past 3 months, I've learned so much about archery. To jerry-rig your own sight, I feel like you would do that traditionally after a year, but I threw most of the rules out the window, watched a lot of professional archers do their thing, and learned a lot in a really short span of time. So here you go. First, I'm going to show you guys my what is it? Drop rest, if I could get it in the frame here. So as you guys can see, moving the camera. Rest comes up when you draw back. When you let go, rest drops back down. So drop rest right there. And now let's do my anchor point. So as I said, these two knock points line up with my corner of my mouth and the tip of my nose. So I'm drawing back and holding at the same spot every time. So the valley of this knuckle pretty much sits at the bottom of my earlobe right there. So this would be my anchor point right here before I go to fire. And it's gotten me great results. So I'll put a video of my 110-yard shot with these exact same accessories with this setup, and I haven't really changed anything on my bow after that. So absolutely amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys got some insight out of it. Just 3 months into archery, just over 3 months into archery, and I've learned so much from just buying a bow, customizing it myself, and adding things to it that you wouldn't expect a new archer to add. I'm thinking like I should be. The things I've added on here would have been things I would have done in 2-3 years had I not been so interested in the sport and done so much research into the sport. So anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. My hair is absolutely ridiculous right now, but I'll see you guys in the next video, and until then, have an amazing day.